Good morning, students. Today I'm back with the second topic of the chapter, that is, what do nutrients do? Now, do you remember what are nutrients? Yesterday I told you nutrients are the components which are present in the food, that is, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. These are the components or the nutrients which are present in our food. Now, what do these nutrients do? We will see one by one. The first nutrient, that is the carbohydrate, it provides us with energy. Food like potato and rice, they give you energy. In the same way, the food items which contain fats like butter, ghee, cheese, they also give you energy. So, carbohydrates and fats, they are called as the energy providers. Why? Because they provide us with energy. Okay. Then we move on to proteins. What do the proteins do? They help in the growth and repair of the body. That is, if any tissues or cells are worn out, they will help in the repair of those cells. Then we have vitamins. The vitamins, they protect our body against various kinds of diseases. Minerals are needed in a very small quantity, but still they are very good for health. So you see, all these nutrients provide us with one thing or the other thing. So that is why these components or these nutrients of food are very, very important for us. So let us have a quick recap of what do these nutrients do. Okay? Carbohydrates and fats, they are energy giving food. Proteins are bodybuilding food because they help in the growth of the body. And vitamins and minerals are called as the protective food because they protect our body from various kinds of diseases. Clear? Now, our body needs all kinds of vitamins. There are vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, E, K. And there is also one more group of vitamin which is called as vitamin B complex. So our body needs all these types of vitamins, but it is needed only in a small quantity. But still these vitamins are very important. Like vitamin A, it keeps our eye and skin healthy. Vitamin C helps to fight against various kinds of diseases. Vitamin D helps our body to use calcium for bones and teeth. So you see, all these are very, very important. Now, apart from these nutrients, our body also needs water and roughage. Water and roughage are also very important for our body. Okay. Now, what are the functions of water? Water helps our body to absorb nutrients from the food. That means whatever food we are eating, it contains the nutrients. Just now I told you. And the water helps to absorb these nutrients from our body. Then it also helps to throw waste out of our body. If we do not drink proper amount of water, it will be very difficult for our body to throw the waste. So if you drink water, it will help to throw out the waste. And it also maintains the body temperature. That means it keeps our body cool. Now, just like water, roughage is also very, very important. Roughage are also called as dietary fibers. And where do we get this roughage from? We get the roughage from fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts and seeds. Okay, so if you eat these fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts and seeds, you will get enough amount of dietary fibers. And what is the function of roughage? Roughage helps to remove the undigested food from the body. So roughage is also very important. We all like to eat pizzas, burgers, kurkures, isn't it? But they will not help to remove undigested food. They will in fact lead to constipation. So you should take roughage, proper amount of fruits and vegetables. Then only the undigested food will be removed from your body. So children, you see, we all need these various kinds of nutrients for the proper functioning of the body. Okay, so do not forget to take all these components in your food. So always go for healthy food. Clear? So take healthy food and stay fit. Thank you.